Hello everyone. Today we'll explore the MERN full stack with a focus on the front-end developer's role. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, a popular stack for building modern and effective web applications. In this video, we'll focus primarily on React.js, the front-end framework that's the backbone of creating dynamic user interfaces in a MERN stack application. Let's get started. What is MERN stack? MongoDB, a NoSQL database that stores data as flexible JSON-like documents. Express.js, a backend web application framework for building APIs. React.js, a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. Node.js, a runtime environment for running JavaScript code on the server. React takes the spotlight for front-end developers, allowing you to build reusable UI components. What is React.js? React is a component-based library for building dynamic and interactive user interface. It's maintained by Meta and is widely used for creating SPAs, which contains key concepts like components, JSX, states and props, hooks. Example, imagine building a to-do list. Each item is a component. State tracks the task and events like add or delete triggers re-renders. React handles this efficiently. Tools and libraries for front-end development. As a MERN front-end developer, you will work with tools that enhance your workflow. Some of them are React Router for navigation in SPAs, Redux Context API for state management, Material UI or Tailwind CSS for styling and UI components, Axios or Fetch for API calls to the backend. Connecting front-end and backend. How React interacts with the backend. React sends HTTP requests to Express APIs hosted on a Node.js server. Data is then stored or retrieved from MongoDB. Example, user submits a form on the front end. React sends the data to Express. Node.js processes the request and interacts with MongoDB. MongoDB returns data and React updates the UI dynamically. Advantages of MERN for front-end developers. Full stack JavaScript simplifies learning and development. React's reusable components improve scalability. Open source tools provide flexibility and community support. The stack is great for both SPAs and larger projects. Career opportunities. MERN full stack developer can start their career as front-end developer, full stack developer, UI engineer. To summarize, the MERN stack, especially React.js, is a powerful choice for front-end developers. By mastering React, understanding the integration with Express and MongoDB, and building real-world projects, you can create dynamic and scalable web applications. Course duration. Brawley Academy offers you a 3-month course for MERN full stack developer, where you get to learn about writing class and functional components, JSX, React architecture, states and prop management, React hooks, routing, data fetching, state management libraries, testing React applications, performance optimization, building real-world applications, version control. Along with this, we also provide soft skills and communication classes to help you understand the job process and navigate you to get the desired job. We also provide both offline and online mentorship until you get placed. After the completion of course, you get a certificate which is helpful for your recognition in the industry. Comment your doubts or feedback in the comment section. For more course details, contact to 8466 044 555 or visit our website now.